So, sa video ito, mag-aaral tayo paano mag-calculate ng fractions. So, pag sinabi nating fractions, ito yung bahagdan or part ng isang whole. Okay? Ngayon, sa isang whole, merong, pag hinati-hati mo yon, halimbawa sa cake, nati mo siya 4, kinuha mo yung isa, yon ay fraction ng buong cake. Ika-4 na bahagi yon ng buong cake. Halimbawa. Okay? So, drawing natin, for example. Halimbawa, meron tayong isang cake. Isang buong cake. Okay? Yan. Cake yan, ha? Mukha lang yung itlog, pero cake yan. So, yung cake na yon, dahil 4 kayong magkakaibigan, gusto mong hatiin siya into 4 sections. Okay? Ngayon, mula dun sa isang cake na yan, ang measure na ngayon ng isang part ng cake na to ay 1/4. Bakit 1/4? It is 1 out of the 4 slices ng cake. So, lahat yan ay 1/4. Pag pinagsama-sama natin ngayon itong mga slices ng cake na to, itong 4 na to, makaka-create tayo ng isang buong cake. Ngayon, halimbawa, pinakain mo yung isang slice. So, let's have another example. Mina yung boses. Okay. Let's have another example. So, ang in-add natin kanita is 2/1/2 lang. Let's say, i-add natin lahat yung part ng cake na yon na hinati-hati. Halimbawa, hindi mo pa pinapakain yung cake dun sa mga friends mo. So, mayroon tayong 4 na bahagi ng cake, right? So, 4 na ganito. Ay. Hindi ko makanta sila. Okay, so 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So, can we say that these fractions of cake now are similar fractions? Yes, because they have similar denominator, which is 4. So, pwede natin siyang add. Actually, pwede naman natin talaga siyang add. So, kung i-add natin tong 4 na fractions ng cake na ito, equal ba siya sa 1 whole? Siyempre, pag nabuo yan, 1 whole yan. So, prove natin using yung ginawa nating calculations kanina. So, since pareho sila ng denominator, copy lang natin yung ating denominator and then add natin yung mga numerator natin sa taas. So, meron tayong 4 na 1 dyan. So, meron tayong 4. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Okay? Paano nangyayari yun? 4 divided by 4, anong number ang pwede natin i-multiply sa 4 para maging 4? Siyempre, 1. So, ang quotient natin ay 1. Okay? So, ganun nagwo-work ang ating fraction, similar fraction. Now, let's try another example. This time, hindi magkapareho yung numerator and denominator natin. So, let's say, for example, we have 7 other example. Okay. Let's have another example. Ulit-ulit. Dito tayo. Color 1. Okay. For example, we have 2/4 plus 3/... sige. Muna. Mataas masyado. Plus 1/4. Okay, these two fractions are similar fractions because they have the same denominator. So, if we have the same denominator, let's just copy the denominator and proceed to addition. So, we have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and that is 4. Okay? So, kapag ka-inad natin ang 2/4 and 1/4, that is 3/4. Let's have another example. What about if we have 3/5 plus 2/5? Okay. Try natin. So, try natin siyang i-add. Since pareho yung ating denominator, let's just copy the denominator and then proceed to addition. That is equal to 5 over 5 or 1 whole. Let's try to illustrate this fractions over here na gamit tayo ng figures. So, meron tayong 5 slices ng ating whole. So, slice natin siya into 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hindi siya pare-pareho. Natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so halimbawa balance yung slices natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kapag ka-shade ko itong dalawa dito, pag shade natin itong dalawa dito, and ito, ang bahagdan ngayon or ang part na ito ay 2 over 5. Okay, 2 shades out of 5 slices. Next is yung 3 over 5. So, shade natin ito. And shade natin ulit yan. Tapos, shade natin ito. Ang part na to naman na na-shadean ng green ay merong measurement na 3 over 5. So, kapag pinag-add natin, pinag-combine natin yung 2 over 5 tsaka 3 over 5, ma-occupy natin yung buong rectangle or yung buong box na to. Kaya nga, ang answer natin ay 1 whole. Okay? Ganun nagwo-work yung addition ng fractions. Okay, let's have one more example. Let's say, for example, we have example. We have 2/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay. Pag in-add natin siya, since this is a similar fractions, you need 4 and then let's just add the numerator. So we have 2 plus 1, that's 3 plus 1, we have 4, that is equal to 1. Illustrating it using our shapes. Okay. Ganda natin yung shapes. Okay, halin natin siya into 4 sections. So we have 2. We have 2 over 4. This is the 2/4 part. We have 1/4. Yellow yung isa. The other 1/4. And the other 1/4. Okay. So, ito yung ating 2/4. Ito yung ating isang 1/4. And ito yung ating isang 1/4. So, makikita nyo, pag pinag-add natin itong tatlo, magiging isa siya. Okay, ideally, pag pinag-add din natin yung mga parts doon sa ating shapes, this is also equal to 1 whole. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. For example, we have 4. Let's have pasobra plus 1/4 plus 2/4. Okay. Yung problem natin kanina na 2/4, 1/4, 1/4 is ito siya. Okay. Okay. And this section over here, itong tatlong ito ay equal to 1. So, meron na tayong isang 1 whole. Tapos, meron tayong natirang isang 2/4. Okay. So, how does this work? Let's try to draw this using our diagram over here. Since pag pinag-add natin tong tatlong to kanina is 1 whole, yung kami drawing ng isa, meron pang isa pang Sobra. No kung matao, sobra na. Meron pa yung pasobra. Dahil special ka. Okay? Yan. At yung section na to, ang sukat niya ay 2/4 in. Okay, meron tayong imaginary line. Okay, since hindi naman na to included, pag nag-add pa tayo ng isa pang 2/4, then magkaroon na tayong ilang whole. Meron na tayong 2. Okay, so magkakaroon na tayong dalawang square. 2 whole. Okay, so let's try to do that again. If you have 2/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4, lahat siya ay 4. We have 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 4. Ilang 4 meron ng 8? Meron tayong dalawa. So that is for similar fractions. Again, pag sinabi natin similar fractions, they have a common denominator. Okay. Ano yun? We has a common denominator with example, we have 1/4 plus 1/4. So 4. This is the common denominator. Okay, so that's for similar fractions.